Hey guys, this is your girl Kaylee Sparks from Jamaica here with you today. For those who don't know, I'm a licensed cosmetologist, a visual artist, and also a self-taught crochet artist. For today, we are going to make these super easy crochet baby shoes. Make sure that you like, comment, and share this video with all your friends and family. Hit that subscribe button so that you won't miss out when I upload this super cute crochet baby skirt. Remember guys, it don't cost a thing to subscribe to my channel. So guys, show some love by hitting that subscribe button. As we Jamaicans say, to miss is to ditch. Let's jump straight into this video. So these are some of the items we are going to need today so we can make this cute baby boot. This is 3 to 6 months. So you're going to need a pair of scissors, a tapestry needle to weave in your ends. You're going to need button. Well, in all for the one pair of shoes you're going to need 4, but we did one before, so we just need 2 now. These buttons are so cute. You're going to need a regular needle with thread that match your shoes so you can sew down your button. You're going to need a crochet hook. My crochet hook is a 0 plus 13. You can use a 2.5 crochet hook. And you're going to need tape measurement to take the size because we are making a 3 to 6 months boot. And you're also going to need some yarn. These yarn are baby soft yarn. So let's just get straight into this video. So you're going to start off by making a magic circle. For beginners, just place in between your thumb and your middle finger, wrap it around 1 time, push your hook in between, pull up a hoop, and there you get your magic circle. But for me, I will just do it the regular way that I always do it. Just wrap my yarn around my hook, pull up a hoop. Okay, so we are going to make a chain as long as 22 centimeter. So let's start chain up. 1, 2, 51, 52. Okay, let's check our measurement. We're supposed to have 22 centimeter. So we do got 22 centimeter. Alright, so this is 52 chain. So this is 52 chain. We are going to chain 1 more, and then we are going to go into the second chain from our hook. So we are going to do a single crochet. So pull through, yarn over, pull through 1, go into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, go into the next stitch. Oops, sorry guys. Go into the next stitch. So we're going to do single crochet for this entire row. So when you guys reach to the end of this, when you reach the end of this row, I will be back with you guys. So let me show you one more time before. Go into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a hoop, yarn over, pull through 2. Go back into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a hoop, pull through all 2. So we're up to the last of our first row. And this is the last one. So chain up one, turn your work, go into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a hoop, go into the next stitch, and you're going to do the same thing for this continue row. And when you reach to the end of this row, I'll tell you what next to do. So we are reaching to the last of our second row, and you're going to do the same thing. This is the last one. So yarn up, chain up one, turn your work, go into the next stitch, and you're going to do this for 12 row because we want it to be 5 centimeters. So continue this until you reach 5 centimeters. So guys, I did my chain, my rows, and here we have it. It is now 5 centimeters, and that's equal to 12 rows. So I forgot to tell you guys that you're going to need a stitch marker. For me, I'll be using 2 latch pin. So you're going to count off 13 chain from where we're at. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So you're going to take one of your stitch marker and place it into the 13th spot of your chain. And you're going to do the same thing for the opposite side. Count off 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And place the stitch marker also into that 13th spot there as well, because we are going to make this section next. I apologize for the noise. Those knives are from my neighbors, so I apologize to you guys for the noise. So you're going to go now and chain 1, turn your work, and you're going to do single crochet, go straight up to the stitch marker. So just continue and do single crochet until you reach to the stitch marker. So remove your stitch marker, go into that spot, and then chain up 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Spin your work, go into the second, go into the second chain, and do single crochet right back to where we are coming from. Oh, sorry about that, guys. So you're going to single crochet from up this side right back down to this side. I just continue to do that. So reach to the last of this round, chain up 1, turn your work, go back into the first stitch, and you're going to continue this right back up to this section again. So just continue doing that and I'll meet with you guys. Okay guys, so we finish off this section. So what we're going to do now is chain up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then slip stitch right back into that spot. So I think this will be okay. So I'm going to chain up 2, 1, 2, pull on it, and then cut off our thread. Alright, so this is the space that our button is going to go through. So what I'm going to do now is make back a magic circle and then use it on the opposite side. So start it right back at the end, pull up a hoop, chain 1, turn your work, and then continue to do single crochet into each and every one of them until you reach right up to your stitch marker. So we're going to do the same thing on that we did on this side to this side. Please remember guys, while you are doing your chain to the chain marker, hide off your thread while you're doing it so you won't have to be weaving in that section. Okay, so just continue do that until when you reach up. So remove your stitch marker and go into that next stitch, chain up 13 and do the exact same thing that you did to this side. So just do that and finish up and I'll be back with you. So this is how we have it now. So we are going to fold it into half and we are going to take our needle with some yarn and we are going to sew from the middle straight to the end and come up this direction. So guys, just continue doing this until you reach to the next end of your baby shoes. 0, her baby shoes 3 to 6 months. So after you sew this section here, just continue and sew up this section. So after you sew up this section and this section, that's how it looks. Next you're going to start right here and you're going to do some in and out with the loops. Just go in and out. and do it till they reach right round to this section. You're going to kind of pull it, so you're going to have the more curved section at the front of the shoes, so you just pull it up. And then you're going to weave in this ends to hide off your thread. Just pull it in to suit how you want it. Like how you see this one have a pull in. Take good notice. So just pull it into how you want it. And when you're finished, hide off your thread, just cut your ends. Go the opposite way and fasten off your thread. And then fasten off this section and weave in these ends. So after you do this section is okay now. So it's the strap now we are going to do now. We're going to put on the button to the strap just like this. But you're going to see where you're going to place it. So for me, I just fold it into half and then set them to where I want it. And then I just start to take my needle and sew down the button. Okay guys, so I'll show you when I finish sew down the button and I'll be back with you guys. So it's all finished and they're looking so cute. They are super cute. So guys, remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and share this video with your friends, family, cousin, uncle, each and every one. Show some support to this channel and comment under the bottom if you choose to do this. Make sure that you tag me in it on Instagram and enjoy. Peace out. Love you guys.